Hey guys, how's it going? How to get money on Apple Pay. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. Basically, if you want to receive money on Apple Pay, open the message app on your iPhone, open a conversation where you received a payment and tap accept and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to get that. And it says this payment or this receiving and paying is only available in the US. You can use Apple Cash to request, send, and receive money quickly and easily in the message app. So you can see right here, there's an example, right? You're gonna be able to send $15 to that person, and basically you can request or send payment on messages. So it is available, unfortunately, in the US only. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next